Short conversations. Conversation 1. Meeting for the first time. Hello, I am Angelina. What is your name?
I'm Ava.
Where do you live?
New York.
Oh, really? I'm also from New York. I live on the New York University campus. My father is a teacher there. What a small world. My mother is also a teacher, but she teaches in a school.
I'm also receiving training to be a teacher.
That's nice. A family of teachers. It has been nice meeting you. Conversation 2. Meeting after a long time.
Where have you been all these days? We haven't met for ages.
I've been very busy with preparations for our annual day function.
Oh, I see. Yes, that does require a great deal of hard work. When is the function?
It's next week and I still have a lot to do.
Good luck. I hope to see more of you after the function is over.
Yes, I look forward to seeing you.
Conversation 3. Meeting a new student in school.
Hi, I'm Barbara.
I'm Carolina.
Haven't seen you around. Are you a new student?
Yes, it's my first day today and I'm a little nervous.
What class are you in?
Class 11. I've taken physics, chemistry, and mathematics.
Oh, that's great. I've also opted for the same subjects, so we'll be together.
Good. After talking to you, I'm feeling a lot better.
Come, I'll introduce you to the rest of the class.
Thank you very much.
In the classroom. Hello, everybody. This is Carolina. Today is her first day in school.
Hello, Carolina. Welcome to the class.
Thank you. I'm looking forward to being here.